Okay, so I tried to make this video for somebody that may need it, because I know someone out there would actually need this idea. So basically, one of the businesses I own, I opened up a second branch in a different city. Now, I was trying to decide between either having the same social media pages for both locations on one, or separating them to have different social media pages, so that they can market the different social media platforms basically. So I did the pro and cons for each of them, and I finally decided, okay, let them have different social media pages. However, what I had then done was I had linked on the bio of each individual pages that, okay, this is the sister brand to this is the brother brand to this. So if you're in this particular location, you can buy from here. If you're in this particular location, you can buy from them, notwithstanding we deliver nationwide. So now I was still waiting for some products to get to the second location. They had few products, so basically I wasn't ready to bump in a lot of money in terms of marketing yet into that social media platform. Now, of course, we know that people like to see people. When I say that, I mean, like, okay, say for example, you come to an Instagram page or a Facebook page or something, and you see that, okay, on this page there are just 9 followers, 9 followers, or following 10 people, 0 followers, and all of that. You feel a bit like, even though I know this is a big brand or is a well-known brand, as far as I'm not really seeing much followers, people tend to get skeptical. You get. So, and then mind you, I wasn't ready to pump money in terms of marketing yet. Do you understand? Because of course, something that people don't know, people don't utilize, is running ads on Instagram gets you followers as far as you have the right content on your page. Now, what did I do here? What I did was simply this, was make sure that there were content on the page at least. And then what I did was, of course, reached out to family and friends, people that were on my WhatsApp already, reached out to them that, okay, we're on Instagram now, follow us, follow our page, on this second location, especially if you're in this location, follow us there and all of that. Then something else I did was this, which was I went to my Instagram, to the people that have bought from me before, and I told them, okay, please follow our second page. And of course, these people, they already knew our business, they liked and trusted us, and they've already bought from us before. All right, so a little bit of backstory. So when we opened up our business in Lagos, we realized that we're getting when we opened up our business in Abuja, we realized we're getting lots of orders from Lagos as well. So that is why we decided to open up the Lagos branch. Do you understand? And then have the Abuja branch as well. So what we did was, we initially decided, okay, let us open the Lagos branch and have the Abuja branch as well. So what we then did to grow our followers organically without having to start doing marketing, all of that, was we went to our Instagram page, went through our data of people that had bought from us or had mentioned that, that they were in Abuja, or that they were in Lagos, and we told them, okay, we are now in your city, come and follow us and patronize us. Do you understand? So that was how we're getting those followers organically. Another thing is that we also had some of them's WhatsApp numbers. So what we did was that we sent them broadcast messages, sent them BCs that, okay, we are currently in your town, come and buy from us, shop from us, and all of that. Not forgetting that we also deliver nationwide, but because we are getting lots of traffic in that particular area, I said, okay, why not? Let us open up a second location there, so that people can actually also easily have access to this item and get it from us basically in that location. So that was what we did basically to grow our page organically. So now we're now having numbers, you understand? So depending on the product comes in, we have numbers, we have people that are already buying the products we have on ground basically. So there's nothing like a perfect time basically at the end of the day. If you're going to start something, start it now, and just start in the best way that you can. So it's better you're moving slowly than not moving at all. So because I could have easily said, I don't have as much product as I want to have on ground now, so I'm not going to do it because I don't want to start marketing. Let me just leave the page like that. Then when I have gotten to that point of perfection in terms of goods are right, every page arranged with more content, all of that, then I'll start, pushing and making sales and all of that. So it's best to start, and instead of waiting, because there's nothing like a perfect time, just start moving. It's better you're taking those tiny steps and waiting for that mighty big jump. Start taking those tiny steps basically to get the desired result. So basically, if you're trying to grow your page or open a second page, open a second brand, you can also try this step to see how that works for your business as well. So thank you, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.